The Srikrishna committee report is out and they are briefing about it. Let's listen in.
Ultimately, this is the act which has to override. Now, how the RBI is going to set its house in order is a matter for RBI, because RBI has not come out with any law. This is the law. Parliament will pass that. At that time, this will override RBI, it will override SEBI, it will override everybody else.
So
Yes.
So could you, sir, some
Just a
question,
Sir, are there any comments on the offline verification process for Aadhaar? And secondly, does it mention anything about jurisdiction of people to file complaints against?
Of course, yes. There is a long procedure given of how to redress grievances with regard to data violation of data privacy.
And in the case of Aadhaar, is it only the UIDA?
I am not talking about Aadhaar because Aadhaar is sub judice. Supreme Court is in season of it. It's going to give it judgment, and that will determine whether Aadhaar is constitutional or unconstitutional.
Just a minute. I would request all the distinguished journalists to please respect this basic elementary courtesy which we do need to accord to a distinguished judge like Srikrishna. What matter is pending, argument concluded, judgment awaited. I will not entertain question. Yes, go ahead. On Aadhaar. On Aadhaar.
Here
Yes.
in the back,
So
just a little bit about penal provisions.
Just,
A little bit in the sense that if you commit a violation, you are liable to be prosecuted. There is a, I'm told that it's already on the website. Why don't you read it?
Yes.
Just a two-part question again. Just taking cue from that. Are there also criminal
Yes,
prosecution?
yes. Otherwise, if a person refuses to follow an order, what do you do?
Fair enough. So the second part was that is there a broad data regulator that has been envisioned? As a part of this?
There has to be. It's called a data authority.
That's all. Any other question?
Rest of it, as they say, बाकी का पर्दे पे देखो.
I noticed Mr. Gulshana is also here. I have not seen him there.
Yeah, he had
Welcome,
gone
sir.
abroad.
Mr. Prasad, may I ask just one more question? You said that the parliamentary processes will now follow that the report is coming. Are we looking at some kind of timeline? How many months perhaps?
We will look into it. I hope you understand there is interministerial consultation. We can also have some more feedback.
Yes, sir.
Then we go to the cabinet. Then we go to the parliament.
Yes, sir.
Parliament can pass it or refer to the standing committee. That's all the parliamentary procedure is about.
Has to be followed.
And being a very monumental law is
Correct.
taken for myself.
Yes, correct.
I would like to have also the widest parliamentary consultation possible.
So we have a couple of sessions.
Thank you.
Elections.
Only on this.
Are there any recommendations on local storage of data?
Ma'am,
I've already
it was answered.
I've already answered it elaborately. Thank you.
Thank
Deeply
you.
appreciated. Thank you.
ये रहा आपका सब.
Well, the report is going to be put up on the website of the IT Ministry. It's a crucial report by Justice B.N. Srikrishna. It includes, it's a very big committee, Pankaj, with others like the Telecom Secretary as part of it, the UIDA Chairman is a part of it. We will be, of course, tracking this very closely and going through all the fine print to bring it to you. The idea is to have a bill on data protection. The part that we did hear right now, they were quite clear they were not going to talk about Aadhaar, but what my colleagues have been sending some information is that they have factored in the fact that the Supreme Court has called privacy as a fundamental right and that trade and industry should not feel throttled by these laws, and as technology changes, laws need to be fine-tuned, and this report is going in the public domain. So we'll go through it and get you more details.